What's going on, guys? Welcome to Friday. Good job, guys, this week. You did so good. I've got 3 testimonials I want to share with you guys. Just something fun I like to do on Fridays sometimes. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys do subscribe. We're currently up $11,014 on the channel here, and we have been taking withdrawals here. We've been doing very well. I am going to be showing you guys today some other people who have been making some crazy money following our metrics as well as the trade calls over at tradeconfident.io. So if you guys like what you see in today's video, you guys need to go to tradeconfident.io. $49 a month is the membership, and then come over here and set up your long trades. All the things I'm about to show you guys as far as profits that we're making and such like that, they came over here and they set up their trades. All right, so let's go over that really quickly, and I will be going over ADA. ADA is dropping. I was calling this drop yesterday in the video. We're looking at the 50% retracement. So the drop happened like we called yesterday. It's pretty... well, I don't want to say it was pretty obvious to me. It was something that I expected. Totally fine. We're not freaking out, but I will let you guys know what I'm doing with this trade and where I think ADA is going. But let's just take a couple look at these real quick. It'll be so fast. Okay, blocking people's names out for just protecting their identity. I want to just do that for them. But this individual messaged me saying he made $13,000, letting me know he made $13,600 when ADA wicked down to 201. And yes, I will be going over ADA today, so this is kind of a fun testimony to show you guys. $13,000 from that trader. This trader came in here and made $4,819, and that was amazing on DOT. Okay, that was for the limit order that he got picked up using our metrics and our buy entries. This individual also made $2,148 on ADA as well. A lot of people making money on ADA. This individual in here, I just blocked out their name. I want to let you know how much I appreciate your work and all the content you put out there. You actually took all the stress out of my trading by giving me a system that works. By the way, I'm around $30,000. I made around $30,000 in the last 2 days without having much to do except putting my live trade setups just like you tell us. Okay, awesome. Can't be grateful enough for the life you've given me back. I've been stuck in front of the computer losing money every day. I know a lot of you guys are feeling this. I wanted to point this out to you guys and protect this identity here because a lot of you are feeling this. You're like, man, I've been trading for years. I don't know what's going on. I want to get a winning system. I wanted to share this with you guys. So great job for all of you. You know who you are, making $13,000, $4,000, $30,000 trading our system. There's a ton more testimonials, but I don't have time on the videos to show this to you guys. Congratulations to Tom, who made $10,000. Another Tom who made $4,500. Another individual I talked about who made $4,500 this week too. Kind of weirdly, a lot of people made the same. Other people made, 2 more people made $2,000. 2 other individuals made over $3,000 this week. So anyways, just pointing that out. Okay, let's go over this. I wanted to get you guys jacked about that because we're doing really good on these charts. We've taken 33 trades and we haven't lost, 32 trades and we haven't lost a trade yet. We're in our 32 and 32nd here. Okay, I was watching this yesterday, guys, for 88, and that was basically the Fibonacci retracement here from structure low to structure high. And I mentioned to you, we are sitting right within the golden zone here, and we are expecting to see a move back down. Let me just restructure the chart here for a second so I can get this positioned correctly. That's what I was looking at, was basically a move up here. I was also having you guys watch the level, if you remember, of $2.70, which is right around this area where I was saying I expect us to see a move back down. We ended up getting that move. I didn't call an exit because we actually already sold 50% in the market here already. So if you guys have not followed this, let me give you a quick overview and I'll give you guys an idea of where we can go and how you can get in this trade if you're not already in here. We got in here at $2.53. That was our first buy limit. Our second buy limit actually got in at $2.01, which was crazy, giving us a break-even entry of $2.27. Right after this thing shot up, I ended up calling an exit on this channel. I came out here with this video, and I called a 50% exit when we were in profit about 23%. 23% in the profit. I called the 50% exit, and now we're just sitting just a little bit below that. Right now, everybody who's been following these metrics and getting into these trades, you guys are still up at the moment. Let me give us a price range here. We're all up still about 5.52%, okay? We're doing great in here. I do expect the possibility of ADA moving down a little bit further here, maybe hitting some structure lows here. We will be going over the metrics, but I'm watching this very carefully, guys, because historically when we get down to this bottom red section for the trend exhaustion, and make sure you guys are picking these up in the description or over at our website, this is calling the bottoms and the tops so well. If you guys just take a quick look at what's happened when we got into the bottom section here, we see nice pumps in the market there. It called exactly the bottom here before we moved back up, called the bottom here before we moved back up. It also called the bottom here, which is where we got tagged in, and then we saw obviously a massive move back up where we made 23%. Okay, Also taking a look at the tops here, this is where it called the absolute top here, where we did end up passing $3 and then we started moving back down. It also called the top right here when we got into the top red section, and then this saw a move back down in the market. It also called the top right here before we saw a move down. It called the top over here with the consolidation period before a move down. Okay, I know I'm just sounding like a repeating broken record, but this indicator is so incredibly accurate at calling the tops and the bottoms for cryptocurrency. You guys can use it on stocks and Forex as well if you want to, but cryptocurrency, it is extremely accurate. Why do I point that out to you guys? It's because we are heading very close to the bottom red section here, where I would expect over the weekend to maybe see a little bit more of a selling pressure, but maybe actually a little bit of a bounce here to put some bullish momentum back into the market. Let's take a look at the metrics here, and then I'll wrap this video up, but make sure you guys are watching that. Come over here. Actually, here's how you access this. It's in the description as well. Here's the trend exhaustion. Here's the trend dashboard. Here's the price versus the well money flow. And then if you guys want to get the bundle, it will save you the most money out of everything. I am looking to raise the price of the trend exhaustion here at the end of the month, just to let you guys fully know that it's worth far more than what I'm charging. Just going to be honest there. Okay, let's go over ADA. Take a look at this. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these metrics are going to update. That is in 47 minutes actually from when I'm this exact moment. The emotional index is pushing down to the anxious section, and we are jacked about this, guys. We're so excited when the market is fearful, when people are scared, when people are anxious, we are buying this up like crazy, and this is when we are making our money, okay? So normally, this is not derogatory, but there's a term out there called dumb money. Dumb money sells high dumb money buys high and sells low, okay? And honestly, it's based off emotions. When people start seeing the price go up, they're like, oh my gosh, we're breaking all-time high. We broke the $3 level. This is going to the moon. They placed their orders right here. Honestly, guys, it's because all of you are telling let me not put you in that category. A lot of people are telling their friends, hey, I just made 20, 30% on Travis's last call. We're going up. That's great for you, but something that people might be missing out on is like, guys, I also called a 50% exit and all this stuff there. But the thing is that people using other systems, they're getting excited telling their friends, and their friends can't help but feel like they're missing out. So what do? They don't use any risk management whatsoever. They just throw money into the market because they're like, I want to ride this thing up with you. That is not how we trade. Guys, I've coded this around, I taught hedge funds how to do this first. And then I was like, forget this. Like, that's awesome. I'm making you guys tons of money. I've made a guy $150,000 in one day. Like, it's done some crazy things for some people. But I'm like, it's time that I release this to the general public so you guys have access to this. My point being is this. When retail traders are getting anxious and fearful and they are selling because they're losing their shorts because they put in their long trades up here, that is where we are going to be buying. Let me prove it to you guys down here again in a second with this ridiculous metric bar down here for smart money. Okay, taking a look at long versus short trades. Long trades are increasing for ADA, guys. This is a very good sign for us who are in ADA because long trades are increasing. If price moves down here, this will be a form of divergence, possibly getting people caught on the wrong side here thinking, oh my gosh, we're going to just keep going down selling. And this does have a possibility where this thing could turn around very quickly and start moving back up. Long trades are entering into the market and they are increasing while price is decreasing, okay? Let's look at the opposite side of this. Long trades increasing. I'm sorry, guys. Price structure is increasing here, making higher highs and higher lows, but long trades are moving out of the market. The price could not help itself, if we draw a line here, from moving back down, okay? The opposite is true right now, I believe, is that when price structure is moving down here and long trades are entering into the market, this could be just enough retail traders putting sell orders in versus buys, but big boys are coming in and buying. Let me prove this to you a little bit more down here. Long versus short trades. If this isn't a big enough metric for you guys to say that you should have gone long there, then I don't know what is. Obviously, if you guys are following the metrics here and you're setting up buy limits, this is the best way to trade. Here's the thing, guys. If you want to trade on your own and you guys are like, I just want to try to call the bottoms, that's great, but you're going to have an extremely hard time. Why? Because life gets in the way. Guys, I just had our son, and he is so amazing. I love him so much. But you know what? He takes a lot of my time during the day and a lot of attention. You guys drop kids off at school during the day. For those kids who are in school with all this COVID stuff going on, you guys work during the day. Our system only uses buy limits and sell limits. Once you come in here, just pick your coin. Doesn't matter. I'm going to use Bitcoin, for example. Set your 4 buy limits up below the current price right here and let it ride. Like, go have fun in life, guys. Like, get off the, like, besides doing the videos here, I go straight to emails and do email support after these videos. But after that, guys, I literally go enjoy my family throughout the day. And then I do email support throughout the day. But I'm enjoying my family and I'm getting tagged into these positions and we're making money here, obviously, because we're up to $11,000 here and we're doing amazing. And it's all automated. Like, it's so much fun to trade this system. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just like, for some reason today, I'm just like, it's hitting me that it's hitting you guys that you're doing so well. And I'm excited when you do well. Okay. Well, in institutional smart money, this is showing us that a lot of smart money is looking to go along right now. That is so true because a lot of us ended up getting tagged in down here, and we probably actually got tagged in at better positions than most institutions out there in the world got tagged in for ADA. The reason for this is because we had our buy limit set up so early. You guys need to be checking those buy limits on a daily basis. If I update them, update them. I had this in the exchange for about 4 days before it got hit. This is the reason why I got picked up down here. I had a couple traders message me saying you didn't get picked up on here. They were using different exchanges, so I totally understand. Coinbase Pro is what I am using, guys, and that is the best exchange for us in the US, in my personal opinion. I'm sorry this is a longer video. I'm just trying to give you guys everything so you understand the strategy of how we're doing so well. We got picked up down here because you have to understand this. The sooner you place your buy limits, the exchange works on an order book basis. So the sooner, it's a chronological order, the sooner you get your buy limits in, you will be triggered first. Software goes in, it looks at the chronological order of when buy limits were set, it will execute buy orders that were placed 4 days ago versus 2 days ago. It's going to process in that order. That is why I hold these in here and I don't move. Guys, my third and fourth buy limit is still sitting in here and it's been sitting there now for about 5 days. If we drop down, I'm going to be the first one to get picked up as well as you guys because we have not moved those buy limits, okay? Let's just keep moving down here. This is a very bullish sign in the market. That's my point there. Okay, support resistance prices. Let's go over these metrics and we're going to wrap this video up. I do believe this could come up here and push to resistance here again if we get some bull momentum in the market. 270 and 280 is absolutely where I think we could head. 270 actually puts us right at this ascending resistance line on the chart, okay? So just watch that. Coming down here a little bit, if you guys took any of these dollar cost average entries, you are literally doing ridiculous in here and you are still making so much money. I wouldn't doubt if we get a green bar, maybe today, maybe over the weekend with this drop here. That's just letting you guys know if you want to just throw money in whenever you get a green bar and hold for 5 to 10 years, it's just really good discounted prices. We're not going to call the bottoms every time, but I don't know another metric that's going to do this for you guys this good, okay? If you guys didn't see this, obviously this was an exit up here. This is why I ended up calling 50%, as well as some other reasons that I told you guys on the chart with the trend exhaustion. But this was helping us call the drop in the market. I use this once I'm in long trades. Okay, let's end this video right here, guys. First of all, let me just say this. Congratulations. Like, good job for the trader who made 40,000, 13,000. I know there's a ton of other people out there that I didn't mention. I want to say that I see you. I see you in the comments. Those of you guys putting testimonials out there, thank you guys so much for doing that. I think it just really encourages a lot of traders. Here's my setup for the weekend. I am not going to touch ADA for the weekend. If we come down and we hit this buy limit again, awesome. That's fantastic. Make sure you guys are over here and you set up your buy limits for Cardano. Go to live trades, come down here, click right here and make sure all of your buy limits are set up. If you are currently not in this trade with us, set up your buy limit. Wait for it to go down, get triggered in, and then follow us on this trade. If over the weekend we see some type of action, which I don't believe this is going to happen, it's going to take a lot, but if over the weekend we start pushing up into the top red zone, guys, I am personally going to be looking to take another 25% exit. So this is why you guys need to get these indicators on your chart. If the whale money flow in here starts pushing up to the top section up here where we've seen this before, right around this metric zone of, I would say, about 80 to 85, and the trend exhaustion pushes up there, guys, this is a strong sign that we are going to be heading back down. Top zone here for the trend dashboard, as well as the money flow moving up in green. This called the top here before they saw this massive move back down. That's why I use both of these indicators. If one's telling me we're at the top and two's telling me at the top, that's double confirmation we could be heading down, and that is why I use this on the charts, guys. God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description. Make sure you guys are signed up over at tradeconfident.io with your membership. Get into these trades like our other traders did, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy what I've got for you. Shoot me an email, betradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions, and I'm here to answer them. God bless you guys again so much. We're doing so good on this channel. Great job for being up so much today, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.